Good day, ma'am and sir. Hi, my name is Jada A. Saleh, 32 years of age, single, with two kids, ages 7 years old boy and 3 years old girl. My highest educational attainment is college graduate with a Bachelor of Science in Office Administration. I work as household helper in the Philippines for 2 years while I'm studying. I study in the evening, and a day I serve a couple with their children 30 years of age and 35 years of age with their kids ages 9, 12, and 15. My main duties is to take care of the kids, especially when they are going to school. I will cook breakfast for them, pack their things, and everything they need, I will prepare. After the kids are at the school, this is the time that I will do the household chores and anything that they wanted me to do. I can sing nursery rhyme like Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. My skills are computer literate, gardening, sewing, and taking care of kids. I cook food, but it is a Filipino food. If you hire me, I will do my best to become a good helper. Don't worry because I'm trustworthy and can easily learn new things. Hope to see you soon.